to week 5 geography. This week we're going to start out with European rivers. We're going to start with the Seine River in France.
Here's the Seine River in France. I have a little Seine face there in France, the Seine River. Then we're going to move to the Rhine River. Can you kind of see a rhino there? There's a Rhine River. Then we're going to move up to Germany. We have the Elbe River. And I kind of like to make an idea there. We have a backwards L and a regular L, and it even looks like maybe even an elbow there, kind of an idea. And then we're going to move down to Italy, where we have the Po River. Italy has a tear in its boot, and they're so Po that they got to keep their boot that has a tear in it. Then we're going to go to the Danube River. It looks like the Danube River is a loose shoelace that goes right into the shoe there. So we have the Danube River. And finally, we're going to go up in Russia, and we have the Volga River. All right, timeline, we're going to start with 1000 BC, and then we'll do early Native Americans. He'll yawn. And then we're going to divide into 2 kingdoms. So we'll make Israel. It's into 2 kingdoms. Then we'll do a baseball for Homer and Hesiod. Rome founded by Romulus and Remus. Israel falls to Assyria. And then we'll do Assyria falls to Babylon. Lao Tzu, Confucius. And then Buddha will grab her belly. So here we go. 1000 BC.
Early Native Americans.
Israel divides into 2 kingdoms. Homer and Hesiod. Rome founded by Romulus and Remus.
Israel
Falls to Assyria. Assyria falls to Babylon. Lao Tzu, Confucius, and Buddha. All right, this week's history sentence is tell me about the Magna Carta. And then we'll do English, the sign for English. And then we'll do John, King John. And then the sign for signed, the Magna Carta in 12. So let's do for 12 is 2. And then 15, 12. No, keep it, turn the other way. 15. 15. Limiting, sign for limiting. The king, let's do the sign for king. King, and then we'll show power, our muscle, king's power. Then later, we'll make an L. Later, England's king, and then we'll make an E. Edward III, claim to be, and then the sign for king again. King of, and then the sign for France. And began the 100 Years' War in 1323. Remember, it's like this. 13, and flip it over 30, and then a 7. No, 7 is like this. No, you got 8. 7. There we go. All right, let's do it. Ready? All right, here we go. English King John signed the Magna Carta in 1215, limiting the king's power. Later, England's king, Edward III, claimed to be king of France, and began the 100 Years' War in 1337. Bump, bump.
Math this week, we're going to do the 7s and 8s.
7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. 7 times 11 equals 77. 7 times 12 equals 84. 7 times 13 equals 91. 7 times 14 equals 98. 7 times 15 equals 105.
8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. 8 times 11 equals 88. 8 times 12 equals 96. 8 times 13 equals 104. 8 times 14 equals 112. 8 times 15 equals 120.
So Latin this week is going to be easy. We're going to do the same as we did last week. First conjugation imperfect tense is the bomb. Bom, bos, bot. Bomus, botis, bont. Bom, bos, bot. Bomus, botis, bont. First conjugation imperfect tense. Imperfect tense is the bomb. So for English this week, we're going to do nominative pronouns to the chicken dance. Nominative pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Nominative pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Nominative pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Nominative pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. That's a crazy chicken. And finally, for science, the question is, what are some parts of the food chain? And we will do yummy, yummy, yummy. Some parts of the food chain are producers, consumers, and decomposers. So here it goes. What are some parts of the food chain? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Some parts of the food chain are producer, consumer, decomposer. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Some parts of the food chain are producer, consumer, decomposer.
What do you call birds that stick together?
I don't know. What do you call birds that stick together?
Velcro.
What do you-
Velcro.
What do you call them?
Velcro.
Velcro. Caw-caw!